Have you ever thought, how can you get a web development job with an average salary of $82,000 a year? I wish I had a roadmap when I started my journey to become a web developer. But you guys are lucky because you will have, as I come up with this roadmap to help out those who want to embark on this journey to become a web developer. In this video, I will explain what is web development, how to become a web developer, and what are the great benefits of becoming a web developer, and much more. Web development is a popular and in-demand field with an average salary of over $82,000 per year in the United States, according to Indeed.com. The good news is this industry has not been greatly impacted by COVID-19 pandemic, and many developers have the option to work remotely. This is one of the reasons why this industry is so popular, as people have the flexibility to work from home or anywhere in the world. However, it can be competitive to break into web development field and find your first job. But not to worry, I'll make it easy for you. So it doesn't mean as soon as you finish learning programming, you will get that much high salary. Initially, you will get a junior programmer job with an average salary of $63,000 per year or even more. And as you gain more experience, you will get around $110,000 per year or even more. Now I know what you might be thinking about. Now many of you might be thinking, do I need a computer science degree? The answer is a degree may not always be necessary, but it's important to demonstrate your skills to potential employers. And having a degree in computer science can be beneficial, but it's not the only requirement. The good news is companies like Google, Apple, Microsoft don't care about degree as long as you can demonstrate that you have the required knowledge and skills. And certainly other companies are out there that require you to have a computer science degree because they care about the piece of paper. But this trend is being changed. Another great thing, if you don't want to work for a company, you can always work as a freelancer and start working on projects available on freelancing websites. And there are tons of projects available on these sites. All you need is a skill set. So these are the outstanding benefits of becoming a web developer. Great salary, work from home or anywhere in the world. Skill set is more important than a degree. Work as a freelancer. So let me know in the comments below what inspires you the most among these benefits of becoming a web developer. Remember, web development is a fast-paced industry, so you often have to learn new things such as new tools, new languages, and new ways of doing things. One more important thing, web development and programming in general requires sitting for a long hours in front of computer. So if you find that boring and you would rather socialize with people, web development might not be the right career for you. It's better to be honest with yourself and explore other fields that may be more suitable. Now let's see what you need to learn to become a web developer. First of all, you need to decide whether you want to do front-end development or back-end development. Each website has two parts, front-end and back-end. Front-end development deals with the visual aspect of a website, while back-end development empowers it. The front-end developer mainly focuses on the client side, the part that the end user interacts with directly. For example, the layout, design, and the functionality of a website. And by the way, I'll talk about more on this in the next video. So not to worry about this right now. On the other hand, the backend developer mainly focuses on the server side, the part that the end user cannot see. They handle the behind the scenes functionality, for example, the server side scripts, API, and the database. There are also full stack developers who work with both the front end and the back end development, and they have a good knowledge of both the streams. Now, web development jobs are divided into three categories: front-end development, back-end development, and full-stack development. If you are starting as a web developer, it's better to focus on one area first, either front-end or back-end, before trying to become a full-stack developer. And once you have some experience in the industry, then you can consider going for a full-stack development. By the way, right now not to worry about all this, because in the next video I'll share important things with you which will definitely shorten your journey. By this time you must be asking yourself, which route should I go to? Should I go for front-end development or back-end development? If you ask any front-end developer, he will suggest you front-end development is the best. And if you ask any back-end developer, then he would say you should go for back-end development. In my opinion, you should expose yourself to both, and that's why in the next video I will explain you in depth about both areas of web development so that it will be easier for you to decide on your own. I have also written a blog post along with this video, so find the link in the description box. It will be very helpful to you. Alright, if you find this information helpful, then please share it with your friends and others to help them, and also like the video and subscribe to my channel.